Alright, so let's try to draw this shape right here. So I'm going to go all the way back in my timeline to start again. In fact, I'm just going to delete and start a new drawing. Don't save. So, to begin this, we're going to start by making a sketch on the back face here, like so. And this face is going to be 7 by 8, so 7 tall and 8 wide. Give you a second to check that out. 7 by 8. Finish sketch. And then we are going to extrude this sketch 1 inch. So far, so good. Now the next step on here is we're going to create a 2D sketch. Now we're going to click on this front face. And what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a line from the bottom corner up to this midpoint line. And you know it's the midpoint because it gets that little triangle there. And I'm going to go down here. And I'm going to go over here. So there's all of our points. I'm going to hit finish sketch. And we have to extrude this out 6 inches. Boop. So there we go. We extruded out 6 inches. And we are going to click OK. Okay, so I got my box here. And this is the easy part. Now, the difficult part to this drawing is actually doing the cutout section here. Which kind of freaks people out because they don't know how to approach it. But there's a simple trick. If you go to the bottom face here, and we draw a triangle, making sure we don't get the center point. So don't get the center point. But if we draw a triangle like so, we can just cut this triangle out. We just need to add a couple dimensions. So I drew a closed triangle in the corner. And from this edge to here, that dimension is going to be 3 inches. And from this corner to this edge, that is going to be 2 inches. So if you get those 2 dimensions in there, this becomes a very easy drawing to do. So I'm going to hit finish sketch here. I'm going to extrude up through like so. And if we take a look at it, that is ISO advanced number 1.